Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will teach you about how to use else if statements. So to do that, let's start by showing you an example. Let's say that I have an int variable t for time, and the time is 18 hours, and I want to uh, let the computer say or wish me at a particular time. So if time is less than 12, then it will wish me good morning. And then we will be using else if. And else if also takes a condition. That can be any condition which you want to make the computer to execute. And here we will give if t is less than 17, then it will wish me good afternoon. Or else here in the else part, as I've told you earlier, that else part does not take any condition. So whenever these two statements fails to execute, then these statements will be executed by default. So here I will give a output statement that is good evening. Or if you want to add another if else, that also you can do. Like here we will just switch the statements and we will keep the good evening here, and here it will be good night. So as you can see, else if helps us to give as many conditions or as many statements as we want. Suppose we have to check more than 2 or 3 or 4 conditions, then you can use this if else if else ladder to execute the conditions accordingly. So as I have 18, so suppose I will get good evening. So let's run my program and see what it shows. Here, as you can see, I have got good evening, as good evening is given within 22, and our number was 18, which is more than 17 and less than 22. So this condition is satisfied, and the statement or any other condition or any other calculation or something you want to run in here, that is up to you. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.